Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your iPhone 12 Pro, at the first you have to open Utilities folder, then go for the voice recorder. Okay, scroll down here. If you are opening for the first time, then click continue. And right now tap on this red button at the middle. And as you can see, the device is recording sounds, so we can just finish and check the quality. So let me volume up. And let's check it. At the middle. And as you can see, the device is recording sounds, so we can just finish. So right now we are able to share this record, copy, or just delete. And of course it will be stored for the 30 days in the trash, so you can also take it off from there. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!